Hey, well, I'm back, and you know what that means? Another vlog. Okay, I haven't vlogged for a long time, so this is awkward. This is just awkward. But I just want to update you on my life. I'm getting kicked out of my dorm because of the coronavirus. Yeah, so because of the pandemic, we're getting kicked out. Like, they gave us a checkout sheet, and I guess I'm gonna move out by this Friday or Saturday. So I'm just gonna give you a dorm tour before I get kicked out, so you know what my dorm kind of look like, and then maybe I will show you what my dorm looked like after I packed everything up. So yeah. When you walk in, this is what you see. This is my roommate Jane's side, but she's back in Cupertino, so I'll just try to film my side because she's not here and I don't know if I'm allowed to film her stuff. But I have this mirror I bought from Target, yay! But I look like a bum right now and I don't think this mirror is clean, so ignore that please. So I have I forgot what this is called, but it holds everything when you need a shower. A caddy, it's a caddy. Okay, that's a caddy. I have a face towel over there. That's my closet, and this is my bed. I have a lot of stuffy. Thank you, Con. He's my babe. And I just have a curtain here. Keep it like simple. I have a teddy bear. And this is where I keep my books. I need to sell these books, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, I usually do my work here, my makeup, yeah, and I have lactate pills because I'm lactose, and some pictures, but everything is kind of like this, you know. Oh, there's 2 drawers here. I have a whole carpet. It's so random, but I thought it was so cute and I needed it, so I have a whole carpet. And this is the other side to give you space, or give you like a reference of how big it is. But yeah, this is my closet. Looks like this. Boom. Shoes. And it came with a mirror here. And you could turn it on. Boop. Hi. And this is where I put my clothes. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's my dorm tour, I guess. It's not much. Oh, in the middle we have a fridge and a microwave and trash. It's not really in the middle. Kind of crooked this way. But yeah, cleared it out. No more. No more. This is what it looks like when it's empty.